Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire, and in this video, I'll be sharing 7 profitable business ideas that you can start to support the booming Airbnb industry. So let's get started. Number 1, Airbnb management services. When I first started out as a homestay host, I used to do self-hosting, and I also managed everything in my property. So I know firsthand how hectic it gets when doing everything, because I was managing my daily operations, I was handling the stocks, I was doing my marketing, I was doing my pricing optimization, I was studying the industry trends, the seasonality trends, and managing cleaning teams, landscaping. I mean, it was just so hectic, and it just became a full-time job for me. It limited me from thriving in so many other income-generating spaces. So many Airbnb properties find themselves in the same dilemma. It's so difficult to do self-hosting or even just to manage their own listings personally because they may not have the expertise or because they're too busy. Aside from that, many Airbnb owners have their properties in different locations away from where they live. These are just some scenarios that have created a huge demand for Airbnb property managers. So you can start by offering professional management services, and you can help hosts by handling tasks like listing optimization, pricing strategies, property maintenance, guest communication, and handling the guests when they arrive and when they check out to leave. So this business idea allows you to leverage your organizational skills while providing valuable support to busy Airbnb hosts. Number 2, Airbnb cleaning services. All successful Airbnb hosts know that cleanliness is the key to happy guests. The hygiene and cleanliness of an Airbnb is one of the most crucial factors affecting guest comfort when they book to stay at an Airbnb. You see, nothing disgusts a guest more than dirty spaces or hair in the sink or the shower. So, starting a professional cleaning service tailored specifically to Airbnb properties can be a game changer. Think of niching down to cleaning services like laundering linens, towels, and beddings, or cleaning upholstery like chairs and curtains, or cleaning the premises specifically. By offering cleaning services targeting Airbnb properties, you can help hosts to maintain the highest standards of cleanliness and ensure a positive guest experience, great reviews, and repeat bookings. Number 3, Airbnb photography and virtual tours. Visual appeal is everything on Airbnb, and many hosts struggle with capturing the charm of their properties. High-quality photos are vital for attracting guests on Airbnb. And if you have expertise in photography, you could consider offering your services to hosts who need visually appealing images for their listings. You can also create virtual tours to showcase the best features of the property, capture unique angles, and create a welcoming atmosphere through the videos and the photos that you take. You see, stunning photos and immersive virtual tours will attract more guest bookings, and in turn, you get more revenue for yourself and your clients. Number 4, interior design and Airbnb property staging. When it comes to attracting guests, a well-staged property can make all the difference. Property staging or home staging simply refers to setting the stage for guests. It involves just rearranging the furniture, redecorating, and using cleverly placed interior decor in a home so that it appeals to the highest number of potential guests. If you have an eye for interior design, you could consider offering property staging and interior design services catering to Airbnb hosts. Why not monetize your love for transforming spaces to help hosts create a welcoming atmosphere that stands out from the competition? Your expertise will help hosts create beautiful, stylish, and Instagram-worthy spaces that attract more guest bookings. Number 5. Digital marketing services. With online visibility being so important in every business, so many Airbnb hosts struggle with optimizing their online presence and marketing their properties consistently. If you're an expert in digital marketing, you can tap into the short-term rental niche and help Airbnb owners drive traffic to their listings and get more online bookings by their ideal guests. This is a great online business to start that can earn you easy money from the comfort of your home. Number 6. Supplying Airbnb linens, toiletries, and amenities. Every Airbnb host knows that good quality linens, toiletries, and amenities are really important to creating a comfortable stay for their guests. And many Airbnb hosts might not know where to get such items. And even if they did, they might not have the time to go shopping for them whenever they need new supplies. So why not start a business that offers high quality linens, duvets, towels, rugs, toiletries, and other guest essentials? If you understand the specific preferences and needs of Airbnb hosts in your city, you can stock items that meet their primary needs and then even go ahead to organize deliveries to their properties. You can become a convenient supplier to Airbnb hosts who want to provide exceptional comfort to their guests. You could also consider supplying vacation rentals that have a sustainability footprint and who want eco-friendly items. As part of your product, you could include a line of sustainably sourced or sustainably produced products such as biodegradable, plastic-free, or homemade items. In this way, you can position yourself as a supplier of eco-friendly supplies and attract property owners from that niche. Look out for opportunities to partner with local or international manufacturers so that you can leverage wholesale prices and source these items cheaply. Number 7. Airbnb property management tools. It's not easy to manage multiple Airbnb listings, and this has created a growing demand for tools and software that simplify the process. So if you have a tech-savvy background, consider developing software solutions or creating apps that address the specific needs of Airbnb hosts in your city. You can create apps that provide automated messaging, pricing optimization, or inventory management. Since you have a better understanding of the unique market dynamics, culture, and language in your region, you can even tailor these apps and digital tools to meet the unique needs of Airbnb hosts in your region. And there you have it. 7 profitable business ideas you can start to provide services supporting the Airbnb niche. Whether you prefer to offer services directly to hosts or to create innovative tools for the industry, these opportunities allow you to tap into the thriving Airbnb ecosystem and earn some good money in the process. I would love to know which of these ideas resonates with you the most. So feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. That's it for today's video. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.